The third conditional talks about unreal situations from the past and what could have happened. It uses if plus past perfect tense, then would have plus past participle. This grammar helps express regrets about things that did not happen in the past. The exact structure follows this pattern. In the if clause, always use past perfect, which means had plus past participle. In the main clause, use would have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Here are clear examples. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. Notice past perfect in the if part would have passed in the result. Another example, if we had left earlier, we would not have missed the train. More practice examples follow. If she had practiced more, she would have played better. The pattern stays the same every time. If we had known about the storm, we would have stayed home. Practice makes perfect. If you had studied for the test, you would have passed it. See how the past perfect shows the unreal condition. If we had gone to the cinema, we would have seen the movie. Continue practicing. If she had practiced more, she would have played better. Each sentence shows the complete third conditional structure. If he had taken the medicine, he would have felt better. Remember these two key rules. First, always use if plus past perfect in the condition clause. Second, always use would have plus past participle in the main clause. These rules never change. Quick summary of third conditional. Use it for unreal past situations and regrets. The structure is if plus had plus past participle, then would have plus past participle. Practice these patterns daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.